Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to underline text with shortcut in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document, then or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I make underline text with shortcut. At first I have to select some text to text tool. Now press Ctrl plus Alt and U on your keyboard. Sorry, press Ctrl Shift U to your keyboard to make underline in text. Now you can see I underline text with shortcut in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.